Alright, so in the last video we did when our killer hits the floor, what we need to do. Now in this video we'll focus on killer colliding with the player. So we'll go into our killer. We can name this killer mesh. So you can right click, check event, add begin overlap. So we check if the other actor is player, cast to player. If it is, we're going to create a function in gameplay. We're going to call add custom event, and we're going to call it check hit. Now again, check hit will take an input as killer, which will be of type BP killer object reference. So what that does is, again, it checks for the color if it's the same as player. If it's same, we will add another custom event called collect. So if it's same, we call collect. If it's not same, we call end game, because player failed to collect the color it's supposed to. And in both cases, destroy actor. Alright, so let's comment this out again, and this is yet not complete, so we'll have it yellow. Now collect, for the collect function we need to have a few parameters and variables that we need to set. So let's do that. Let's create another custom event, add score. So we create variables score, which is of type integer, high score, and last score. Score will be the current score, high score will be the highest score the player has, and last score will be the last score from the game. So we get a reference to score, and we increment that by integer 1. Now we can have an input score to add. For now it's going to be 1, but in future if you want to change, so we can add that here and set that as the new score. Set score, set value. So this is add score. It's green, and for now we can print that score. Till we get our HUD up. Alright, so collect, what collect will do is it will add score first, then we need to set impulse. So set, so what will be the impulse? We will take the impulse value, get, we will get the impulse amount, we will add them both, and we will clamp that value So min will be 0 and max will be max impulse, and that will feed into impulse. So once we collect, we add score, then we spawn killer. And we'll call it when killer has same color, or it can be when killer is collected. Compile, save. Now we can get rid of this annoying lighting needs to be rebuilt. We can go in skylight, make it movable. We can make blueprint this light source as movable as well, so we don't need to keep building lights again. And for the reflection capture, we can build it once as well, so that error message goes, or the warning goes. So now when we play, if it's different color, our player will change. If it's same color, we can collect. Okay, it's giving an error. Let's check the codes. Okay, we made this function, but we haven't collected it yet. So we have a setting it. So we cast to player. If it is, we call the function in game mode. So we get game mode, and we'll call the function check hit. First of all, we'll need to cast to GM. We check hit, and for the value of killer, we'll pass self. Compile, save. So now we should be able to collect similar color. Oops, missed it. Let's play again. Okay, so when we collect same, now one thing we need to change. Right now the score isn't adding because we said we called add color, add score, but we didn't specify how much we need to add. So it's 1. Compile. Now it should add a score every time we collect same color. See? Oh. So that's it for this video, and we'll continue in the next one.